Welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. How y'all been doing today? I've been doing fine. The weather here, I can't wait till the spring hits. It's on its way. We just got to be patient. But I'm trying to be patient, y'all. But I'm waiting for some, a little bit warmer weather, once it hits in the late 60s to the 70s, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and get to this video. All right, so I think it was Mississippi Beauty. She did the Colgate deal by itself. So I'm doing it with the 5 off of 25. Okay, so these Colgate Optic Whites, these are the 2-packs. They are $5 each. There is a digital coupon, $3 off of 2 that is attaching. And then also, if you buy $10 worth of Colgate, and I forgot what other I think it's Fabuloso, I think it's in it, and something else. But I decided to go ahead and just do the Colgate. If you buy $10 worth, you get an extra $3 off. So when you do the 5 off of 25, you have to get it over $25 for the extra savings to come off, okay? Because, it won't just take it off like that. You have to go over $25, okay? And I mean, maybe if it's 25, maybe 27, 28 for your savings to come off, okay? So I got these two, and the savings did come off, and my 3 off of 2 came off, all right? The next thing is the Oral-B. The Oral-B is $2.25. There is a there is a $2 digital coupon that came off. These are $2.25, making these just 25 cents. Yes, okay. So then the next thing is these Febreze small spaces. They was all out of the sprays. So these are $3 each. This is one. It looks like this is a new one from Gain. Let's see the name of it right there. Honey Berry. And they are $3 each. And I had a digital coupon, $3 off of 2. It's like a buy one get one. Might as well say buy one get one free. But there is paper coupons out there also, y'all. So if y'all want to use the paper coupons, I think they expire next week. Okay. The next thing is the Chic. These Chics are $4 each, and I went and got the men. And also the women is on sale. The Chic Classic is $4. There's a $3 off digital coupon that is attaching. Okay. The next thing is the Jergens. Jergens Original Scent Cherry Almond. I believe it's all of the Jergens lotions. They are $3.50, and there is a $1.50 off digital coupon. And here's the ounce. I think it's at 12.5. Y'all know I'm in my car in the sun. 12.5 ounce, okay? The next thing is these. Hold on, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm in my car. I got things on the floor. Let me turn it around for you. These right here. These are $3 each. They are like a trial size. They are the Pantene Rose. This is the Miracle. They are $3 each, but there is a $5 off of 2 digital coupon that is attaching to these two, okay? So I just went ahead and got the conditioner and the shampoo. Alrighty. Then the last thing are these Always. These Always Discreet. This is the 26 count. I got this off of Nana Couponer. She show you things that is glitching. And I don't do a lot of glitching, but I do some. And I decided to go ahead and use it. There is a $3 off manufacturer coupon in the PNG that is attaching to that. So I went ahead and used it in my 5 off of 25, making that free because this is $3 and the coupon is $3. So it made it free. Y'all, okay. The total amount that I spent was $6.25. And you know, everybody's taxes is different. Hold on, let me get my receipt, y'all, because this receipt is like all it's crumbled. Not crumbled, but it's so let me show you my receipt. There's the Febrezes. There's the discreet, the Always. There's the Pantene, the Chic. There's the Colgate with both of the discounts that came off. Okay. There's the Jurgens. There's the Oral-B. All of that. There's my total savings, $6.25. Then total savings, I'm sorry, it's $28.50. That's my subtotal, $6.25. I'm all over the place, y'all. Then there's my total savings, $28.50. Yes. All right, y'all. So this right here, y'all, is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.